A statement is a sentence which is not an order or an exclamatory sentence. And of course, a statement is not a question. In mathematics, a statement is only acceptable or valid if it's either true or false. Otherwise, there is an ambiguity. But a mathematical statement cannot be ambiguous. Now we will understand how to distinguish between three different kinds of statements mathematics is built up from, such as theorem, conjecture, axiom. Let's understand what is theorem. Theorem is a mathematical statement whose truth has been established. For example, most common and known Pythagorean theorem. The mathematical statement of this theorem is a square plus b square equals to c square, which is proved. Let me state another theorem. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree, which can also be proved. Now, what is conjecture? Conjecture is a statement which we believe is true based on our mathematical understanding and experience. That is our mathematical intuition. The conjecture maybe turns out to be true or false. If we can prove it, then it becomes a theorem. Mathematicians often come up with conjectures by looking for patterns and making intelligent mathematical guesses. There is a fact that every area in mathematics is based on some statements which we assume to be true and are not proved. These statements are self evident truths which we take to be true without proof. These statements are called axioms or postulates. Well, there is some difference between axioms and postulates, but we will not distinguish them here. Let's consider an example of axiom. Let's consider Euclid's axiom. Things which coincides with one another are equal to one another. This is Euclid's fourth axiom. Now let us consider an example to understand all these three types of mathematical statements. Suppose we have given a mathematical statement. If A, B and C are 3 points on a line and B lies between A and C, then AB plus BC equals to AC. Now which type of statement it is? Is it an axiom or a conjecture or a theorem? Let us find out. As this statement include some words like point or line, so it can't be an axiom because it already includes some words which needs to be defined first, and these keywords are defined by Euclid's axiom. So the given statement is not an axiom. It could be a conjecture, as the given statement can be true or false, and this statement is based on mathematical intuition. So if this conjecture get proved, it became a theorem. To prove any theorem, axioms are used. So to prove the given statement, we will use Euclid's fourth axiom, which says that things which coincides with one another are equal to one another. So it can be deduced that AB plus BC equals to AC.